installing this Henry membrane waterproof flashing here. We've done all the kind of metal surfaces that we had going around.
So basically, we finished the demolition of our bus and we finally made a decision on layout, and we thought we were ready to start building, but sure enough, we had a few more steps to do before we could actually start building out our bus. As Ron said, we are adding this Fortiflashing membrane to all the metal surfaces of our bus that will not have any insulation on top of them. So basically, these areas that we're flashing will just have directly wood on top of it, or kind of our finishing walls and ceiling material. Now this will hopefully help prevent condensation inside the bus, because the metal surfaces, when compared to the temperature inside the bus, are usually two completely different temperatures. So when you go to temperature extremes, this is what causes condensation inside the bus. And we had seen a lot of Skoolies, once they're done with their build, deal with this issue, and that's really not something you want to have to deal with, is condensation and kind of that wetness inside your bus. That's why we decided to take this extra step. Even though it took a ton of time and energy to do, we wanted to make sure that our bus was completely sealed and that we weren't going to have any condensation issues in the future. Now I know there are a few different products we've seen people use to prevent condensation. This is just the product that we personally chose because Ron had worked with it in the past and it was something he was familiar with. It is a little hard to work with. It's pretty much tar on one side and it's very sticky. It sticks to everything, so you want to make sure you wear bad clothes and you don't get it on anything that you really like. But this is also the product that we use to seal the holes in our floor, along with a little bit of silicone. Again, there's tons of different products on the market that you can use depending on what you're comfortable with and what you've done your research with. But there is a lot of different information out there for Skoolie builds and different products, advice that you should use. But in the end, you really just need to do your own research and make the decision that works best for you. And don't get overwhelmed with what other people do and the decisions that they make.